Victory Outdoor Products Company Limited is one of the earliest manufacturers which specialized in producing multifunctional pliers and fillet knife series of products in China. Our company highly values new products innovation and continuous improvement to product qualities by our professional design team. Our company has the most advanced production equipment in the industry, such as precise CNC lathe, drilling tapping machine, fine blanking, automatic abrasive finishing machine, high-speed grinder, high-tech deep cooling and quenching equipment, injection machine, laser machine, etc. The factory now has more than 200 staff members. Among them, more than 50 are experienced specialists and senior technicians. 20 plus are quality inspectors. The factory lies over 22,000 square meters, and its monthly production capacity reaches 100,000 multifunctional pliers. It has always been our pursuit of excellence in launching more convenient, fashionable, and practical products. Although Victory is not one of the largest suppliers of multifunctional pliers globally, but our sale is increasing at a surprising speed every year. And our products has gained recognition from extensive customers all over the world. Victory's products are sold well to over 40 countries. Our clients spread to North America, Europe, Oceania, Southeast Asia, and South Africa. We believe that at least one of our products will be the ultimate tool of our success together. Victory is gradually marching towards domestic and overseas markets. Victory brands have gradually become mature. Our staffs are working together harder than ever, sailing the Titanic through the gusty wind and waves towards new achievements and success.